Welcome to our comparison video, where we take a closer look at two of the most popular motherboards for AMD Ryzen 7000 series processors. The ASUS TUF Gaming B650 Plus WIFI and the GIGABYTE B650 AORUS Elite AX. Both motherboards offer excellent features and performance, but they cater to different preferences and needs. In this video, we will explore their specifications, aesthetics, and connectivity options to help you decide which one is the best fit for your build. When it comes to aesthetics, the ASUS TUF Gaming B650 Plus WIFI features a robust and dark design that appeals to gamers looking for a classic look. In contrast, the GIGABYTE B650 AORUS Elite AX stands out with its striking snow-white color scheme, making it a visually appealing choice for those who want a modern and sleek build. Both designs are functional, but they cater to different tastes. Warranty is an important consideration when purchasing a motherboard. The ASUS TUF Gaming B650 Plus WIFI comes with a 3-year warranty, which is standard for many motherboards. However, the GIGABYTE B650 AORUS Elite AX offers a more generous 5-year warranty, providing peace of mind for users who want to ensure their investment is protected for a longer period. This extended warranty can be a significant factor for buyers looking for reliability. In terms of networking, the ASUS TUF Gaming B650 Plus WIFI supports Wi-Fi 6, which offers fast wireless connectivity suitable for most gaming and streaming needs. On the other hand, the GIGABYTE B650 AORUS Elite AX takes it a step further, with Wi-Fi 6E, providing even faster speeds and better performance in congested areas. This can be a crucial advantage for gamers who rely on stable and high-speed internet connections. In conclusion, both the ASUS TUF Gaming B650 Plus WIFI and GIGABYTE B650 AORUS Elite AX are excellent choices for gamers and PC builders. The ASUS offers great value with solid performance and a classic design, while the GIGABYTE impresses with its modern aesthetics and extended warranty. Depending on your priorities, either motherboard could be the perfect fit for your next build. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons and tech reviews.